Hello and welcome to this training course on installing Secure Exchange on Microsoft Outlook. In this video, we'll explore the Secure Exchange installation process and show you how to activate your license. Before you start, make sure Microsoft Outlook is closed. This step is crucial to ensure a trouble-free installation. First, open your browser and visit the Secure Exchange website at www.secure-exchange.com. Once on the website, go to the Downloads tab at the top left of the page, download the Microsoft Outlook plugin and the plugin for defining signature zones. These tools are essential for Secure Exchange to function properly. Please note that if you're using the new version of Outlook, called Outlook New, the installation procedure will be different. You can find the detailed procedure in a future video. Once the download is complete, open Microsoft Outlook. You'll notice that a new tab called Secure Exchange has appeared in your Outlook ribbon. To activate your license, click on this tab, then select the Recover My License button. Enter the anti-robot numbers, then click Send to receive an activation email. Once you've received the email, open it and you'll be prompted to activate Secure Exchange on this device. Select Yes to confirm activation. Now that your license is activated, you can start using Secure Exchange to secure your emails and attachments. It couldn't be easier. Secure Exchanges is cybersecurity made easy for everyone. Check out our other videos to learn more.